Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Our very special, and right now it's another fantastic day which God have granted us. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here, please, guys, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy, Hello Baby Official. So right now, look how things looks like. Super amazing, and I can't believe, like from a hand, man, things will work like that. But I say, God, thank you so much for this far, and I'm trying to do my own best because I'm not so good, but I'm trying, to make it in this life. So anyway, I'm around at home, and right now it's noon time, and I'm shooting these videos because in the morning I was not around here. There's some stuff that I'm trying, to fix out. So it's around 13. Oh my God, just 13:11. So when I'm saying 13:11, it means that's maybe American Army watch time. So it's around 7:13 p.m. my local time in Africa here. So I wanna take you right there because even I see my brother with a bicycle. Say hello to him, and then he go to school. Wow. Okay, guys, drop on the sweet comments what do you think about on this vlog. Look, things are supernatural here. Oh my God. So that's my bike right there, right there. Super clean. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
Enjoying soft life?
Yeah.
Why don't you wash your bicycle? Because look how my bike looks like. You need to maintain your bicycle,
Yeah.
super clean. Last time I fixed you new mudguard, brake pads, so you are still enjoying soft life. So introduce yourself. Maybe somebody watching these videos and they don't know who you are to me. Like, what's your name,
Yo, actually, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you're watching this video film. My name is Samuel Muita. Actually, I'm the third born on Hello Baby family. Yo, if you are watching Hello Baby videos, share, comment, and support him, guys.
Okay, guys. I'm elderly brother, and I'm trying to show, like my young brother and sister, what I'm doing. So also they're learning from, like, they try to learn from me what I'm doing. And me, I wanna say, like, this opportunity is by my parents because they really, like, try to advise me. You're supposed to be like this and that, and like nothing wrong. So it's to take as simple as is as that. So you just go to school. And mom, thank you so much. You can see my brother right now, it's enjoying riding, like a rich kid. Yeah, man. So this is my uncle's motorbike here. So in our family here we have two motorbike, mine and my uncle's. Also, I think I have my first motorbike, which is Honda, guys. Sorry. So, but the guy who drive my first motorbike, he was the one who, like, using it and bring my mama, like, like $2 to $3 there for the, like, to sustain basic need, buying small food. If maybe she need to buy meat, fish, she can also do that. Like, it's not that much, like a lot of money, wagwan. So let me go there because I'm trying to imagine from a handman. I do a lot of things right here, and it's by God's grace. So let's see when I'm going to be old. What could be happen? I don't know who throw my stones here, but I don't understand people, for sure. I didn't understand people, Look, they, like, boom. For sure, I didn't understand people because for me, I'm trying my best. I struggle a lot, but what people did in my village where I came from right now, it's only God know. So anyway, me, I don't want to put energy to my local people here. Never not. I'm trying, to struggle myself as I can, and at least to put my mom in another, like in a different position. Oh my God. I see somebody right there. So this some like sand for the construction, but when I was buying this sand, it's during a dry season, a time like this. So by that time I was rushing going to the coast to enjoy myself, and then like refresh my mind. So the guy bring sand which are not like in terms of helping you like to build. So I'm trying to advise you guys, if you're going to build a house, it depends the place that you are. Don't buy sand during dry season. Please guys, buy sand during rain season so you can get a good quality. But this one here, maybe I'll use for maybe making slab down, or maybe doing the veranda. But other sand, just okay, because I bought them when I just arrived at home from the coast, so it's staying there, and also the engineer said it's a good quality. But this one to trip, something else. Wow. So for my new subscriber, this is what we try to make it going up to that way. So these 3 trips, first trip start from here all the way, I think, up here, because there's some gaps that I left there. Or maybe let me go there and I show you. So it's time to build, and when I'm saying this, I mean. So you see, when it reach here, the lorry carry only 720 blocks or 710, Montatahar. So it's quad. So guys, sorry, I was speaking with my mama right there. Right there, I'll show you. So the lorry, it only carries 710, because when you bought this machine carts all the way from Nairobi, every truck or lorry, they're supposed to pass through the weigh bridge and measure the weight. If you go beyond, or you do like offloading too much of the stuff, they will charge you a lot of money. So it carry around 710, and here when it reach on this space, this first trip, and then also you see another step, this second trip all the way. Oh my God. And also this is the third trip. You can see some space, man. What do you think from handman? And I'm so grateful on my behalf of myself. What I did, it's super amazing. So wow. And maybe if you're joining my videos today and I don't know where I came from, this I'm calling home, and I'm going to build here. Not bad. I'm going to build right here. And also I have been told by engineer to put some liquid chemical. This one stuff can be, go far away. We killed some other stuff inside here, but it is what it is. So this is my humble home, where I came from, where I'm born and raised. But I'm not born on this kind of house. I born in old Manyata house. Rooftop were being covered by mabat, like grass, not mabat nowadays, So but my other brother, they were being born on this house, the old one that you see right here, between this and that, right there. So that's where maybe other 2 brothers were being born, and also my sister, she was being born on this house, the like one that you see I'm going to demolish, So for me, nothing like to lie on that. I have some my memory of my life, history of my life. Oh damn. So these some stones here, we have ballast. I've been told by engineer bring 2 truck, and we have already seen them right here, you know, like nothing to be waste. Even the soil which, like, yeah, the soil which I transfer from there, I just, you know, keep it here. When I get my free time, I will make some bricks. So because I'm going to build my mama house alongside the road, so I need to, you know, putting perimeter wall. So let me see my mom. I don't know who threw my hair. When I go around, I normally found some stuff. Yeah, African mom sitting on this avocado shed right here. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Ulienda leo shambani?
Hey.
Yes, I'm asking Mama, today did you go to the farm? She told me yes. Mazuri ni yapi?
Sasa napumzika.
With African kitenge. So I told her, Mama, like, how was your day? She told me she just relax. Mbona nyabonya jarudi shule?
Mimi na mama.
Guys, I'm asking my mama. Right now I see my sister at home and it's lunchtime. My brother have already gone back to school. I didn't see my sister go back to school. What's happened? You know, so my mama told me, like, if you remember, guys, there's a day I do a videos. I took my sister to the hospital, especially for the dentist's checkup of the teeth, and the dentist removed 2 teeth at the same time. And you know, right now my mama, she told me, and like she was feeling the pain, and one side it's like you know, so it's a normal life, you know. Yesterday I solved some issues, and today also, like, it's another problem, but I'll solve it, guys. Don't mind on that, you know. You just keep supporting me by watching my videos. You see, at least right now my mama, she has no plan, like, to take her, like, my sister to the hospital. No plan, no idea, you know. She was sitting as humble as that, you know. And it's because of you know, my mama, she was working so hard. And also in my family, like I myself, I work so hard. My brother worked so hard. You know, my family are not like lazy family. We normally like struggle, put ourselves in other position. And that's my great grandma home. There's some, you know, guys, don't ask me why, like, oh, your great grandma, you know, no longer more life in this world. But there's somebody staying there. Her in-law. I want to say her in-law, you know, her in-law staying there. That's unamwaje, man.
Yeah.
Unamwaje. Guys, no plan. Even myself here, like when Mama give me the story from my sister, it's break my heart, you know. Let me support as I can, guys, because you guys, you really asking me about my sister, and she was doing good. I can't wait, guys. Maybe in the future when she finish her study, I'll open her YouTube channel, like a YouTube channel, to continue, you know, like vlogging, and I'll make sure, like, you know, both of them like get employed. You know, we normally pray for that because we work so hard. At least for them, they could go to school and study. And I told them, no joke, in terms of education, no joke, you should bring good result. So if maybe you bring bad result, I never support you. So they must put more effort in education, and they are doing good, both of them. So and also, guys, be ready next year. When the result is out, I'll show you my brother who ride the bicycle going to school, taking him to school. Man, I have a lot of things to do, you know. Without my young brother and sister, even the house I could build anytime. but it's because, you know, when I get maybe $1, $5, I spend on this and that. Anyway, unamwaje sasa man? Usimpeleke hospitali man.
Pesa hakuna.
I don't know guys where I can take my sister to the dentist, giving her like a painkiller. So I don't want to go, you know, like, or I go alone, I buy that painkiller instead of disturbing my sister going to the dentist again. Guys, please comment on the comment section, you know, and let me know what you think. Should I take her to the dentist or I bought the painkiller? But first, because she was sitting outside there, and I'll go myself because shida ni gani man?
Neno.
Rino libimbire ose.
Rino litabimbire. Sinkomora mali.
So I asked my mama what's the problem to my sister. It's about tooth. My mama said it's not like that much. It's just like paining from a distance. So I need to go to the dentist and explain. So when he or she with like whatever the gender that I found there on the dentist cube. So I will see. I will see guys. But I think the best thing to do is to go with my sister in the hospital, because it's good to go with the patient and also the doctor or dentist can see, you know, the problem of my sister. Let me do that guys, you know, no pressure on that. Mama, she was deciding, you just go with my daughter, like you just go with your sister to the dentist and see what's going on. I think I don't want to go beyond on that because it's a good idea. Going with my sister and doctor check her. When it's too much painful, they know some tablet. When it's a lower painful, they know. But for me guys, no idea. Let me take her. So what should I do at this point? And it's so hot guys. Look outside, so hot, extremely hot. You see where even the shade have been covered, so it's mean other side it's extremely hot, extremely hot. Anyway guys, let's go. I'm tired like a goat guys. No. Me, I was sleeping and then you know, I just wake up shooting my videos because I had my brother, you know, knocking the gate, our Mabati gate, and I just wake up from you know, I was sleeping inside my house like, oh, you know, and then coming out I found my sister, you know, she was like crying. I asked what's the problem. Oh, my tooth, too much, let's go. Oh my god. So let me do my part. I have a okay. So also on this video, let me meet my sister. You can know about what's going on. So hot, so hot. I can't wait one day to see 1,000 of people working on my mom's dream house. The day is coming, man. Whew. At least right now in terms of transportation, I don't fear on that. I don't fear. I have my motorbike. It's one, boom. My baby is waiting me right here. Super cool, super clean. People ask me, did you bought every new motorbike in my, like the local people? It's maintenance. 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 And right there I can see myself. Okay guys. Oh. Let me see my sister. Let me see my Yabon. 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 You know guys, I'm calling her. Her name is Martha Yabon. Yabon. I don't know what's going on. Yabon. Hey. So that's my mama house. I don't know where she was gone. Man. Or she went somewhere else and sleep there. I don't know. But I'm trying, searching her. Somebody born in my yard. Oh my god. Hey. No one is here, guys. Let's search her. Yabon! Yabon! Yeah. So maybe she went to people's home looking like, painkiller. But I don't know, guys, where she went. Sometimes when it's paining, like you wanna do like this, like other people like. So let's wait, guys. I don't know where she went, but I'll take her to the dentist. As we keep vlog, doing more like research for my sister where she went. Let me, eat some fruits. Divine blessing. Let me enjoy my fruits. Oh my god, this papaya here. Very sweet. Look, this is my lunch. Anyway, guys, let me take the key. When she arrived, any time is to take her to the clinic. All dentists, Jambo kwa Yesu. Leo ni siku yetu. Hey, I see my sister from there. So I want to take her to the dentist right now. At least I get some information from the dentist. Rather than going explain, oh, My sister feeling pain in the tooth. So at least when she go and check up, like, why in a video 20? So I'm still waiting her.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
You good?
Okay, guys, that's my sister. Even you heard the voice, her voice goes down, you know. So you can differently like cover like two different between here on her, like on her cheeks and also here. So you know, person can I? She's having 100 shillings. Mama gave her right here. Okay, leave it to end. I don't want a sweater, and I'm not going to sweater because I told her you just go and wear the sweater. It's and also, guys, let me take my helmet and then boom, go with her. Yeah. Guys, we are outside with my sister, taking her to the dentist for the tooth checkup. This is my helmet here. It's my first priority. When I get out, I normally, you know, nowadays I don't forget. You know, sometimes when I park my bike outside and no helmet, when somebody's calling me, I just, you know, rush like boom. So right now, here, I'm gonna wear it right now. You know. Okay, guys, I'm fixing it right now here. I don't know, guys. Just a minute, guys. I'm trying, you know, to fix my GoPro right here, and then okay. There's our beautiful cow grazing there. Let's go. Right there. So guys, that's how we left home like that. You see other kids are going back to school. Shule. You see her friends go back to school. But anyway, it's a normal life, guys. So what should I do at this point? Look. Here we go. Nimemaliza mitihani. Alright guys, we're on this main local road. Actually we're coming from this side. Hey, I had a motorbike coming in okay, we are heading this way actually, guys, right now. So my video continues. Let's go. Guys, I feel so bad when my sister, you know, like, she don't go to school because of the tooth training, not tooth decay. Last time, I think this year last time, she was having tooth problem. But right now, the tooth is training. So I rush her to the hospital for the checkup. And guys, I want to say thank you everybody. My God bless you all for supporting me, having my motorbike. Thank you so much, guys. Continue on that, even supporting me one day also to have a car for my family, you know, so I can able to call them, 4 of them, even going for the vacation. We are moving, guys. It's a distance from home up to the dentist, simply because we have means of transport, so no pressure on that. So today the sky is so beautiful, you can see from a distance, and I'm showing you the reality, guys, you know. Showing you the reality. Moving out. I know at this point my sister, she was tensing. Tensing. So some few meters apart from here to meet the tarmac road, which connects the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, East Africa. You know, so I'm going to meet that road. Woo! Let's go. And I see some traffic. You know, we're gonna move, man. And guys, even I know the painkiller will go beyond on the month that my mama she was giving me, but I'll try myself to add on top and treat my sister. So what I think, whoa. So that's right there. So you see, people are constructing another bungalow house. So I think the best we can do, guys, I would return the money to my mom. $1 that she was, like, it's 100 Kenyan shillings that she was giving me. So I'll return that money. So I'll use my small pocket, pay the bill in the clinic or in the hospital right now. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's move. So this is the entrance of Border Town, and imagine people are coming from the shamba right now. Look, from the garden to weed some plants. So this is the entrance of Border Town, and the people normally, you know, like fuel the car and motorbike right there. And also they have restaurants. You know, that's a matatu transporting people from one place to another. Let's move. So guys, please trust my process, like my progress, not my process. Yeah, I do it. Man, I normally like do it as I can. Oh my God. We're gonna move, man. We're gonna move. We're gonna move. People outside for hustling, you can see right here. Every corner, you know. At least put something on the table. Look, right there, cabbage, clothes, shoes. So this is Border Town for you. In case you meet my videos, so right now I'm in Border Town. We normally come in Border Town every day for the shopping, heavy bulk of goods here and there, you know. Let's do, guys. Oh. Wow, God. So that's total. Hey, luxury car. Guys, the video continues up to the clinic. Nothing to be hide anymore. Nothing to be hide anymore. No. Let me park my bike here. Oh my God. And I lock the steering. That's this Saint Agnes. Anataka alimungoa, sasa kuna venye zinamuuma zingine.
Na mimi alimungoa na mimi nilikuwa hivyo hivyo.
Sasa hayuko.
Tunaambiwa tupumzike kidogo. Au tuko kwa laini.
Sasa mimi kuna venye naenda kazi. That's it. Guys, we wait the dentist until, you know. Let me check the time. It's 13:54. Around maybe from now 3 hours. So three, I think 2.5 hours. Guys, I'm just back. So let me check whether Daktari? Sure. Yeye ana shida na meno. Kuna venye aling'olewa. Sasa maybe kuna ingine yani inamuuma kwa mbali. Yani maumivu.
Aling'olewa na nani?
Na daktari alikuwaga hapa nimemleta.
Lini?
Maybe nifungue video nikumbuke. Lakini ni mwaka. I think mwezi wa 3 hapo.
Nafikiri unaniambia kitu ya last week ama.
Hapana.
Mwezi wa 3.
Mwezi wa 3 sasa.
Fika jioni. Kama mjatoka mbali. Hebu njoo hapa karibu.
Mbali.
Nimetoka wapi na imefura. Kama hapo hivyo.
Panua mdomo aone.
Mmetoka mbali.
Meno gani ya chini ama juu?
Yaani ndio inakuuma. Hapo ziko mbili. Ile ya mwisho. Hebu toa mkono. Kidogo. Fungua. Afuta kidogo. Hiyo ya mwisho.
Sije kwa kung'olewa.
Si ameze dawa kwanza.
Sasa dawa ndo tunataka tujue.
Ako na meno mingi tu hapa ziko na cavities zile
Sasa dawa ndo tumekuja tujue ni gani.
Ameze dawa kwanza kwa sababu hata hapo penye ni mwisho hapo ni
ni dawa tu ndo tumekuja. Tujue ni dawa gani. Sikutaka kwenda niambie daktari kwa chemist nipe dawa. Guys, right now we left and I bought the medicine, all painkiller. So it's just over here and the dentist just check her. So it's only painkiller. So let's go, guys. We shall meet home, you know. Alright, guys, we just back home with my sister and I need to give her that tablet. What do you call tablet? You know. Mama, that's maji. Maji is water. So maji is a Swahili word. Means water. Okay. I'm so tired, guys. I'm telling you. Even, guys, for me, I want to return the money which my mama gave my sister, like to buy, you know, medicine, and then it's not enough, you know. So that one I bought around $3. Mom, guys, may return money, you know, like I don't want fake thing. The way I said earlier, because when she get maybe 100 like that Kenyan shillings, you must work so hard, you know, and yeah. So my sister, she was starting a doors fresh. Haya. Yeah, it's written here 1 times 3. So like 1 morning, noon time, and evening time. Because right now it's evening time. So we wanna start 1. So by tomorrow, I think we start fresh. Chukua kimoja hapo. Mama, she loves her daughter washing her shoes. Okay, guys. Hakuna meza kimoja. Haujachukua? Haya, rudisha huko. Haya, wewe meza. At this point, let me fix my camera there. So here we said, boom. It's 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh my God. Again, this 1 times 2, so another 1. This one is a kind of a strong tablet because we take 1 morning and also evening time. Okay, right here. Take. But the dentist was very she was very hard, harsh on me. Oh, I don't want videos, but I managed to shoot it. Who is Hello Baby? you know. Amazing. She like when she realized I was already shoot the videos. Boom. Okay. Another one. This is the last one because there have been 3 packets. 1 times 2. Hey, hey, hey. This is the strongest one. Right here. Okay. For the final. And you know, I must be around when my store she was taking tablet. Can you imagine that? Hi. So I must be around because it reminds me when I was like small young boy. When mama she give me all my dad, when they like give me a distance, I threw away. And then I said, oh, I take the tablet, this and that, which is not true. So also, my sister must be around, or my mama. One of us supposed to be around. You know? So it's 3 packets. This, and this. You know? It means each and every packet goes to 100 Kenyan shillings. 100 Kenyan shillings. So both of them, 3 of them, are both around 300 shillings. You know, that's $3. So it's better my sister she quickly recover, and next week she will be going to close school, and then maybe up to January. I end with twins. I'm telling her, you just go and keep it. Eh? Now my mama she was smiling, guys, because that's life, man. You know. So me maybe I think I'll go around because yes. So anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next vlog, and like you watch the videos till the end. If maybe I make something wrong on these videos, all you are human being, and we just over here to consult our our problem, to solve our problem, and all those stuff. So anyway, see you on the next vlog, guys. This is what I call my lunch. So, and also my mom shows prepare the tea, milk tea, man. Yeah, so that's how my house looks like, and that's how everything has been arranged right there. You can see going up to that way. Oh, the light is on, man. I never knew. Oh my god. Yeah, right there. So nowadays, guys, I didn't stress like going to people's home, charging phone, and I'm so grateful for being supportive on my side. Even right now we have power. I can show you like how many number of people charging the phones. Look, this is a button phone. We have another one right here. This is an extension, and I'm supposed to put on the mats here. Look. I'm very happy, and for me I just support the local. Let them charge, because if maybe I'm more like more greedy on myself, which is not good. As a good Christian, we need to support each other. So that being said, is the way I have been like supportive to each other by like charging my phone, going to people's home, using free Wi-Fi. And for me, like I told my brother, if you have maybe friends, one maybe arrived at home and maybe they ask, he or she asking you like password, you just show them, and then they can download the music, videos, anything that maybe they want or to watch Instagram, TikTok. So to make matter to be worse, we have here this is the Loot Wi-Fi, and also see the connect of the solar, and it's charging right now. Look, man, yeah. Of which I'm so happy. So guys, let me enjoy my my lunch, because when I was left in home randomly, I take only papaya. This what we call kangumu. It's very hard when it stay like 3 to 4 days. Very hard to chew or to bite. Very hard. Sha. Just a minute, guys. Even right now, guys, when I finish my video, I will show you like some, my family members, relative, friends outside there enjoying the Wi-Fi. Alright, guys. Let's go this way. I see some baby car scratching, like crashing their body, scratching their body. Look. Oh my God. Hey. Hey. Very stubborn. And smooth body. Hey. Anyway, guys, I wanna take you around through my village, and right now it's extremely hot. I don't want to go around because like it's hot. I mean, so like sweating I don't like. So I will end my videos. Let me show you guys. Yeah, let's come with Kare. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Enjoying Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Say hello.
Hello.
Eh?
How are you?
You know you are richest in this village. Wearing the stand, Maratomai, my friend. Huh? This vest. Huh? Only the rich kid can add, like...
I like it basketball. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Protas.
Protas, family member, guys. Let them enjoy. When it's evening time, you sell lot of kids here with their phones. And I don't know when the school have been closed up to January. We have maybe 1,000 of kids around here, which is blessing to me, So let them enjoy, because for me, I go hard on truth. Like I go harder on the stuff, like having Wi-Fi, having solar panel, and it's through you guys. You will supporting me by watching my video. At least I can do something. 1, 2, 3. So, like me, let them enjoy. One day they will, they like remember. One day like, oh, Hello Baby's home. They're really supporting to us, internet, charging the phone. And I think we didn't have like electricity in our village here because of anti-corruption. I normally use the solar panel. So I think, guys, I think one day I'll do some when I get money, I'll do some extension outside. When they just seated there, the work is to like charging phone, enjoying the Wi-Fi, And I told them like sometime if maybe you enjoy my wife at the same time, please subscribe and also watch maybe at least one of my video, you know. That's the like they can, you know, like pushing me in terms of subscribing and also watching my video, like not forcing them, but it's my humble request. When one wish to support me, like subscribing, one of those kids that are staying around at home there, and I'm telling you guys, even during evening time, after school, hey, you find a lot of people there, a lot, because me, I'm so blessed at this point. I'm so blessed, and I say, God, thank you so much for the gift of life and for this far that I'm going. Thank you so much. And also, guys, even this camera that I'm shooting here, one of my solid subscribers made it possible last year. I think it's 2023, but I think 2024 in January I get the GoPro, and I'm still enjoying up to nowadays. But one day I will upgrade my camera, you know. Yeah, at least right now, zooming like vroom, you know. That's Maze Con, man. Yeah, but for now I'm so grateful what I have. I'm so grateful. One day, you know, guys, I was shooting by using my videos. At the same time, it's shaking, and I said, oh man. But you know, when you keep praying and like when you keep praying, you put God first. So one day it just happened, you know. So like for me, it's happened, and it's like unbelievable, you know. So one of my subscriber calling me like, hello baby, like I wanna put for you a GoPro, and then that and that. It's a long story, but sometimes I don't want, you know, like to put on social media. And then just landed in Kenya, to the airport, to the Fuga cargo, up to border town. I just pick it, and by that time I was so you know, like very happy. Even I bought that guy for the Fuga cargo, the transporter, I give them 500 shillings because, man, I'm so surprised to get a GoPro. So that being said, is also it's helped me like to gain more things, you know. So yeah, that is it. Whew. At least right now I'm outside, seeing how the Maze Con, like how it's, you know, waving green, you can see. And also me, I'm relaxing. Anyway, guys, if this is a random message to you guys, if one of you need a space in Africa, Kenya, especially in my village, right now we have around I think in my home here we have 3 lands that have been sold, but I'm still marketing it, and I'm saying for free, guys. If one of you need to have a land, you know, although right now, guys, you want to be very careful because scammer is all over the world. So me, I'm saying, if one of you, he or she, need to have a land in Africa, Kenya, especially in my village, let me say this, especially in my village, reach me out and we connect more. And the good thing about me, I'll shoot the videos. Even during the payment, I will pay, but I'll show up the receipts to the owner, not like public. In terms of payments, I'll do a videos like we bought the land, but the owner of the land, even I can speak it out how much we bought the land. If maybe he or she, they can allow me, I'll speak out, but the information I'll screenshot and send to you guys. Because yeah, man, because me, I don't want to, you know, like to eat people's money, like to scam people's money. No, I'm just doing the way it is, free of charge, guys. you know. Even me, guys, I feel one of you, like when they have the land in my next to my home, I'll feel so good, man. Even me, one day when I go outside there, he or she, they can give me free accommodation and also, you know, doing all things. Let me say hello to my neighbor here, and I think I'll end my video because it's too late. Ano may no kono ler. Je ko hera makamisi nchuk. Songo. You good? Guys, first of all, yaturager. African Nogali. Kesho sukuma wiki. Hey, jiko. Whoa. I'm lucky. Modern jiko. But for me, I've already eaten, you know, my short lunch.
Yeah, but me, you can see still up to this time I have not eaten lunch because my wife was feeling unwell. You know, as men, you can eat even 4 p.m.
Guys, I know, and maybe, you know, sometime when you get married and all courses like cooking, washing utensils, clothes, it's, you know, like it's meant for the wife. But sometime when maybe she feels so sick, you need to take control.
Yeah, you can see I'm controlling. I'm washing.
How are you feeling those experience?
It's very hard, man. Yeah.
Okay.
This wife.
But angalia
take care of them, eh?
I'm telling him, just take, like, check out. Skuma mura. Hey, mura vitu visingu. What a man can do, also a woman can do. What a woman can do, also a man can do. Like here. Hey.
Imagine, guys, I'm washing my jacket alone.
So she was in the hospital?
Yeah.
Oh.
In the hospital.
So when you go here?
Yeah, sha na dada.
Kana perkona. Kwanza life care. Biakari kutu na lakini it's expensive.
Life care hata bidwe Migori ni wei.
I'm telling him there is a hospital in Migori County. Especially, guys, my county is Migori. So we have one of the hospital known as Life Care. The cleanest hospital in my county.
It's very special.
And very special. I know other hospitals are very clean, but man, in terms maybe of food and all stuff, hey, going to
the food that you want to eat, you apply.
Yeah, if you need to eat chicken, fish, we need pork, we need anything, you need to apply. You know, and then it will come. Special meal. But in terms of like paying money to discharge people, you see the long day.
Imagine.
Okay, guys, let me end my video here by saying thank you so much and may God bless you. So we shall meet on tomorrow's videos and to see how my sister she was doing, like covering. So until further notice, guys, I love you so much from the bottom of my heart, guys. Bye.